brought to you by Cowan Things How-To Series.
Hi guys, we're here today in our RV to show you our subscription box swap designs. It's an interchangeable frame that gives you decor for your RV for a small space. It can be a condo, it can be any small space, but we have an RV and we're RVers and we wanted to be able to decorate a little bit. This is several of the designs that we've come up with, but I wanted to unbox for you and show you what it looks like when you get it. Inside, you're going to have your instructions. It gives you everything you need. You're going to have an example photo. Only an example, you can do whatever you want. We will give you color corresponding colors of paint. Glue. Whoa! Paintbrushes. And in your first box, you are going to have a frame that comes with it. We've also got magnets, little sticky dots for you. You don't want to lose your little sticky dots. They are transparent, so they can get lost easy in the mix. But you have your little frames that come, they pop out. So you can do all of your painting. You can paint your frame if you want to. Only paint the outside. Keep the inside clean. Try not to get it on the sides because that does affect it when you try to put your frame in there. You're going to lay out all your pieces however you want to do it. Make sure they're all there. Make sure it all looks right. Get it all set up and laid out. You'll go through. You'll want to paint probably your biggest pieces first and let them dry. Then you'll go through and paint all your other pieces and then glue them down. When you use your glue, it does not take a lot of glue. Your sticky dots will go down inside here. Okay, so here's one. Show you how it goes in. So you can put it in this way. You can also put it in the other way. And have it set here this way on your counter if you want to. I've got this one setting up that way. These pop out of your frame. If you don't want to use them, you're putting it on the fridge, like this one we normally keep on the fridge. It's got the magnets already on it. You just pop that right back in there. Yeah, however you want to do it. Pop them in. It's back together. You can just set it up there. You can take it and hang it on the fridge. However you want to do it. Your magnets go on like this. This is how we do it. It also helps hold your pieces in there so that if you do take them out and have it as a stand, they pop back in there and stay in place. Great thing, these are small. They're compact. You can have a bunch of them and they still don't take up room. And shout out to Home Depot. They have these great little containers that are only $2.50. These fit right down in here. You can put a bunch of them in here. I've got 6 or 8 little things in here in bags already. They're not glued together, so they take up a little bit more space. These don't take up any space at all. You can put a ton of these in here and go through that in your closet, and you've got them for whatever season you need.